Bia kabisa mwanja watakajide kane merongevere chinsani sato chamambe musuku you on the floor.
Yes, kundi nari gote baigo. Akero na tegere to moske Onesimus Kipchumba muri komen. Ego na eteno gukumio konene. Na ndi ngaichana mono. Ekiagera ase mono gwege songo. Nga oyo ya timatinga kinda kebeka seke kusi. Basically, the minister was confessing, I'm not in charge. You are on your own.
Ko waino.
Ekiagera nyakundi na chiri kuri ile katiba na chiri kuri na machiko ya especially the National Police Service Act. I think section 24 ko section 22 mpaka around 25. Go real functions here the both services here police ndo what administration police service na Kenya Police Service. Aseta yo na temne kuri aseta yo Richikurio tanga police nguru bara advisory. Asenari richikurio tanga ki egasi police to detect and prevent a crime is to investigate, is to apprehend and arrest suspects and arraign them in court. Nga nki richikurio teba. Nga abasikari gasi yabo no kuchunguza na ende batokoro unenki bamanyenga umuntu raro bange to bosalia tiatonde tokoreki tiatogende tutange umuntu utabaza kore gitachi kubuna richiko nyakundi akero musika ukwa nayo I think inde twarangichiri unga established or developed democracies kango ibono ritukulike imegari sainete because no katanga ki
ya ndidore
jitigasi yanzinyire njumonye kore gento gyakabere ntu igweta liga batebanga umusikore ngo na babu wino mba wate guns ngekero bakumutrete na ICC na yaro wate guns ngana wate guns bai yakundi you even aware that mundura wate guns na tra arrest is orenga above the law is babu win above the law the fact that you are acknowledging intelligence
you knew
and you are aware. Number two, there are people who are caught on camera including Umuchumbe Woma Bay Town where the worst violence happened that day. There are people who are caught telling people ngantuma to ni hotel
sabarai
hotel is barai. I know a friend of mine in other no Frida ukwananga they were victim. I know a friend of mine who's not even Linda Mwananchi munga kana tochi kanisa kama ukoro Enosh Polo ngote nare Woma Bay Town is in a bread-based yard. You can imagine he's one of the victims.
So mina watu mchana wa matamushi.
Okay. Igare nsemeli gotenga ODM Linde ground. Iri na Linde ground no hale. He was a victim. So violence, what I'm trying to say is violence here they go discriminate. Nga ine serikali aini sikuwa serikali. You even saw a police officer died. The most tragic thing as a Kenyan today where I feel bad even for this country. Even as I show empathy for the victims. The IG of the Republic of Kenya, the CS of Interior, Tanya Ushi statement to the family. No, they just say in that policy they are not even saying we are giving Paul to the family. That means that this government has lost empathy, even with his own mbabu atima bebe nona saba tsikali baba banyanyimbo bali bako bakoreki bakorere serikali gasi musikali yagoitwa mama tanga we blame guns and mama tanga guns hata wes
kinegentege
kesana the fact that you knew guns but in guns and I think in from where I come from I don't agree na Rigati Gashawa most things ya ukwana. But Rigati more often than not go to the area kene. Rigati nero to the thing aki apa sigale weito ba chete Haiti ko benchmark ngake ba gojo ko integrate na guns. We are seeing it's happening. So we have no reason to doubt him. Ekiagera nyakundi, how do you tell me nga apa sigale mba maide mapema there would be guns. We have a situation now as we speak. Linda Mwananchi na I want to probably also question my sister here. Kero Tebiru. Baba angetoko na Migori. The governor will come at your own risk. We will not guarantee your security. That is the governor of a county. I think I don't know the source the statement. The governor has told them inumogocha muareki abami omape we will not guarantee ngamuru amure safe. Do you have a country Nyakundi? Two things Nyakundi. The other thing, a few weeks ago, and you saw, and I wish you can get that clip. You saw abaisbaga achaga ali Thika Road. Angena Mdaiga police station. ari Mathare Mental Hospital bagaproke para mugaso igoro bagoten abantu bagakoraki bakubaibira bakubateta chibesa. 2 days later there was a clip of Haringham just next to DOD roundabout. You saw that clip. Ibi mwana ibi muri bike bire about 15-16 years. You get the Nigeria bakuibira abantu mugaso igoro. It was captured on camera. On a Saturday at Thika Road, Angena Montezuma. I've just after Thika, after you left Thika on your way to Kenol. Now we are a similar incident. These are small incidents.
I think Kabati.
No, not Kabati.
Montezuma is Kabati.
Yeah. Just shortly before. That's why I said between Thika and Kenol. Those people, you saw them. Bagote Nichigari. Mugaso igoro. Nyakundi to start that way. I can tell you this, and I gave the example of Chinua Achebe's book, but also from other areas, even to be aware. What will happen? You will pay these guys. They will test blood. Nyakundi. Once they test blood, you will never control them. They will even come to eat you alive. I can tell you, Nyakundi, I'm not a prophet. Tony and Nani calls me a prophet here normally, but I'll tell you this. Unless it is stopped, Murkomen will be one of the victims.
Which one?
Yes,
and we will tell him it's a figment of his imagination.
And the president, Nyakundi, I have been to a presidential function. Ruto was struggling to leave that. Apa Kibera, police were overwhelmed. The president could not live there.
Was supposed to have presidential function. So congratulations.
No, I go there as a journalist. I'm a journalist. I cover president, so I cannot pretend I don't cover.
What's the problem of me congratulating?
So no, you are
sarcastically.
It's the implication. Yes.
No, as a journalist, I attend functions. I attend functions. ODM. I attend functions. Based. I attend president. So I cannot discriminate because as a journalist, you're supposed to cover all of them. But I have attended a function. That's what I meant. I've attended a function. President tour of Nairobi, where he's struggling. Now, and by the way, people, including his ministers, lose even funds in those functions. Because you could hire these goons, the crowd, into the goons, dressed in yellow, function. One day, this thing will become serious. A senior person has lost his life too.
Na wanatuambia kwa nini mulienda kama tuliwaambia. You know, that's a very
like one you should avoid it.
Yes.
Tuchenjiri chuko tubeke kiombe ekigotenete oborendi bwense kebeke kiombe kigodina mangana advisory. Yato tavinga twakoro uchunguzi asabitogenda tumanto batika.
Kwa nini ulienda?
Tutika mangana chi notification. Chirichie serikali obwendo kuru notification togenda sigete ngakigete. Nanya kundi kan tukende maybe my sister Tara Kwan. Egento kurukunga political zoning. No mochando. Ndu akwande ngane weekly era ngaki Kenya is a multi-party democracy.
Yes.
Ibugate umufumo w'ebyame binge. Ebyame bibire national. No mo Kenya kawaida na ile libaga yogo join chama ndio sasa ito join na ile libaga yogo promote ideals chama ile ito promote.
Yes.
Na abande babo na gutara NCM ndiyo nsienze iti ya Kenya because political parties chukwatela national character. As they yonze iti ya Kenya iri balkanized uzo kotaibunga
county getene county ya ODM county getene county ya
juu to tebelugende kanu kelinga kahaba antoli eliba kabagende na inte twandira bakusiba mitika na bato na buto kwandira emambi yabono asmusi umuntu kwabeta to iso kotabangelinga ki into duwa de candidate ito unde tachawe wakore campaign yaega bayigolere baje bakure bakwana batule ibintu batete kukwana bayera yabo bagende so that into wali bayito bako gane kisemo chinde bayiguli baga the same way but tisiko gandre nchire mangana zoni twa chakire ngora iga enge duwe choko baguchi mutuga iga campaign de choko 2027 na ende perhaps nakundi ibinde mede can never be done in isolation. Sometimes you talk nanga musike muri commenta maitenta akora nakundi these people also they are very clever. Perhaps umuntu nahano utaito to organize in this way so that we got 2027 the position will say ya Kenya will be so chaotic. Ngana nyo chokore campaign onyeko ruyo go sokuru mwawo chukwane ngento kenyo sisiko gari will be a problem. Ndoze kwande route hiyo. Kuna musuko kwande the mistake tulese gukora togendere ndire kaboneka iga bali bagende tukukebamba uchiko bambokera kere kionchoke buka banyene babe the very first people gunsi aba chakoli
ya kabisa mwanje mutegereri Fred Darakwana ntogendete kuira abana chikuru asemambia bono abana kwenda bali back to school undi bwensi kugotumira kabese brother cousin osumo iri rukise cha Michael ugotumira chibesa mutenga aiga school fees kwari ntomera goetera asebengi ya Cooperative Bank kera Cooperative Bank ni watu Western Union MoneyGram tap send S-Money Ria transfers tinabego chinde chinyinge network yabo ni gerengari chibranch cyabo nego kirekere kona yense wetera asebengi ya Cobank turukuna chibese ndionse kero gopokea chibese cyao kurwa ase ebengi ya Cooperative Bank asondo bwense gotumire andenge ndikigota kere ne transaction code ni getambuliso kyao gyoka mangana iwakore tan lazima obe omuteja bwebengi ya Cooperative Bank nigo ira sabantu bonsi pino nyana abantu kuruki kisiko nabakonyora chibese cyao oneka bwate egetambuliso chinga kisha cha back to school oneka konyora chibese kurwa asa abantu bari chiche Michael tabatali batebenga kiba gotumire kura sebengi gwetera Cooperative Bank ekena boko enyora ase branch ndionsi yebengi ya Cobank. Yes Frida.
Yes.
Kote bakwale ngigoro ya mangana.
Kwa nini inki kere teto kagenda
bona mwao nyiru mwenda migori.
Migori nkwenda tori and I'm very excited because this weekend nkwenda tori Meru. We are going there kotebia bantu igoro ya Linda Mwananchi respect to the rule of law. Ntokoba a literal movement eto achagete because abantu bakwanira about respect to the rule of law, constitutionalism, alafu ngomonta chato ebe blatantly something that is against the constitution. Ngetoka enda mono tobo eto tebenga hakintori koenda umabe. And this thing they are doing is opening a Pandora's box. A box yebako igora mariwo cha konyara kwenye sieka. Because tukirealize ba kwa zoning yeyunga montoto kwenda ko campaign Migori toko genda Homa Bay and all that aba gusina barabo batabenga nyetori madiangi to tachagusi aba ikoyo batabenga iga mamu agashagwa mu tacha aba kamba batabenga mu Kalonzo wengine wasema hivyo wono aba ruya batabenga mu tacha iga nande mwaroche right after the violence naro cha bantu bako tabenga bono Gladys Wanga to basago tacha buruya because you have declared nini. You've drawn a line in the sand. So into we will go. And the reason why we went is because in the Kenyan constitution, ilitoko hope in Linda Mwananchi, once we have taken over power, we are going to enforce the constitution to the letter. Ne constitution yeyengo tebiera bantunga na kero mo Kenya na are free. Kogenda in every part of this country yako anegoro ya political nini ideologies chiae ntobuate right yoko belong to a political party, a political outfit, ntobuate right ya association and we will do that in whichever part of the country tigen sengima not just locally iga Kenya na isiko gari emanyenga serikali ya William Ruto teri kwa allow democracy because they want us to sit back tokire erinde banyare gotwara a one up against us ngabona onto abatebe timba agendo mabina ande mbachiti. Who are they? Ruto is not in a position to tell you montonga to genda Homa Bay to genda Migori to genda Gaiga. This country belongs to everyone and we are going to do that. Barabonye bako banga guns tigaba bange guns lakini bamanyenga we are not going to allow them to put aside a constitution bachake run this country with the imaginations of William Ruto.
Ngete nestigira kegoro chinsa isatu chabono mambia.
Tuombe kwa amani. Wananchi wana ujuzi wa kujua. Wakisema wanataka Kalonzo ni Kalonzo. Wakisema wanataka Ruto ni Ruto. Wakisema wanataka Matiang'i ni Matiang'i. Wakisema wanataka Sifuna, Sifuna. Jameni chungeni. Mimi sitaki kuitwa sponsor bana. Mimi sitaki mambo mingi. Mimi nimesema ya kwamba chaguo ni la nani? Chaguo ni la nani? Na hakuna haja ya kulazimisha Mkenya yeyote kwenda upande huu au upande huu. Wakenya watajichagulia wenyewe. Na mimi naomba viongozi wa kisiasa tuende kwa wananchi kwa amani. Tuhubiri yale ambaye tuko naye kwa amani. Hii mambo ya kuzuia wengine kufanya mikutano.
All right. Mimi sitaki kuitwa sponsor.
I think Nyakundi, the former president, almost Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, first as an individual, now what the right to make a political decision. He is protected just like anybody under Machika Kenya na democracy ito na bako chora. So he is right take it out yanga aba Kenya na waramwe. That's a fact. Aba Kenya na waramwe ngako murayo. But at an individual level, na na about the right to go choose you. Kaya ngo akare kura. And as far as we are concerned, Nereva is still the leader of Azimio coalition party. He's still the leader of Jubilee. We assume on those two knees, akara chiko bie chibere and oppositional. So we cannot pretend Ruto Ruto. He's the opposition leader as long as Agochi those two parties. He's the party leader at Jubilee and a leader as Azimio party.
In fact, I think it was after Kitale, the president got the interview.
No, the interview came before.
It came before.
Yeah.
President Kenyatta now what a chance to be statesman, but
So-
you already the Kotrimbo Kaise, Kovumura went somewhere opinzani.
Exactly.
So you're agreeing the
So,
president?
no, I'm not agreeing. What I'm saying, I was just clarifying. By the way, interview president was recorded on Friday. It's only that it's coming out now. Nation did the interview on Friday. If you see Ngaseti Saturday, it was the Ngaseti Sunday. It was the main headline. Yeah, called Friday Makoroba. And then even today, Bado
Nero.
Exactly. Now the TV station started running them yesterday. But event yarenge goro. Ali Milimani. So muchukuru kunga Kitale. As a former vice president ya abetega korara na gotumoka 23 years ago. So ekinara utane Nyakundi. I am not agreeing with President Ruto
Who refused to be a statesman.
No. You need also Nyakundi as a journalist so you can do kuruka journalists and lawyers you can go back on a context. You must contextualize a statement. Ingekora muske William Ruto utanga Uhuru refused to be a statesman. It's because Ruto approached Uhuru akamote come and chair this vision 2060 Uhuru declined. So that was the context I was explaining that the president refused. Instead you go read the vision 2060, he decided to be an opposition leader. So that was the context.
Okay.
Now, but having said that, Nyakundi, I want to address this issue of sponsor categorically. And I'm not holding brief for Uhuru, I'm not holding brief for Sifuna or Matiang'i. I know one thing, and I kept saying, a former president has no capacity to influence. If it is sponsoring, Navarra has resources, if he so wishes, he can give his resources, but he cannot influence Kenyans a lot. Even when he was a president, remember this, as a president, he was unable to deliver his own candidate, the presidency. So there's no way he want to have magic. What he could not do when he had the instruments of power. It's just a fallacy. However, politically speaking, almost William Ruto na bantu ba UDA.
Ba Jubilee. Oh, William Ruto. Okay.
Yes, Ruto. Again, don't get it. I say que son go back a boogeyman. In politics, you could go create a boogeyman. I want to give you an example. I'm an Arsenal fan, for instance. Even when Arsenal is not playing against Man U, you find that somehow Arsenal fans will drag Man U into that. When Man U is not playing against Arsenal, because that's what makes the game interesting. So for you to excite your support base as a politician, we could create some enemy, some immortal enemy. This immortal enemy for William Ruto, so that he can star his base.
Enemy
ya William Ruto.
Mubisa.
Political Mubisa William Ruto. We can have create. So he has now found Uhuru Kenyatta. So it is easy to remember last time last time he told about Kenya Injene Hasola. Chi dynasty chiakore chiawatanire kototenintu abana bataka kuiroborai. One of that narrative gospel irite yonga nabantu babataka. One gospel ngaki oli tu abuete. Oli one already every karagosi biaye na bigo koraki.
Chigoto sumbua.
But if you look at mosque Sifuna. Sifuna is a creation ye mismanagement ye party ya ODM. Alafu na William Ruto kusugume chama ya ODM watenga Rusio. So Kenyans empathized. no muske Sifuna. So they have started looking at Sifuna as somebody who what hopes ukukwana truth to power, and they are saying, I think this young man nothing to take into it. There is a certain position yako hold iyo wanka we na Kenya ba tenga obo bembo no Sifuna wata mana constitutionalism, rule of law nga kitora akorenga tubu atiri chiko ya tokiringa. Because of that Kenyans are following, because Kenyans are looking for hope nyakundi. Okay. So almost William Ruto is a politician. So when he says Ruto Uhuru wangire kwa no Uhuru cannot sponsor. Uhuru also as a right you then getting sponsor because he also knows, he was president for 10 years. He knows what the government can do to him.
Okay.
So he has also to play safe.
Ya kabisa kogo tumirucho ya sechinga kichiga cha back to school mwanjo motakali enchira na ya moyoka mangana yokunya koveke bintu vile bitatu hapana chinga kichiga cha back to school tumirucho ya cha wetera sevengi ya cooperative bank kera chi branch ya cooperative bank niko chire kere kona yense astaliora agenda betonyore wengi ya cooperative bank chinchira chugo tumachiwe ya chons pinchiraro Western Union MoneyGram tap send Money Rea Transfast ni chinde chinyinge obi yambulinga network ya branch yabo ni chira sense kere kona yense gonda isi konyora chiwe yao na boy na ndituru kuna chupesa ndionsi agenti yokota keire ne transaction code ne gatambuliso kyao onyola chupesa kyao tade lazima oba muteja wewe ngia cooperative bank ndiko nyola chupesa kyao na ombo muntu kuruisiko ka chobate gatambuliso kyao kere valid na bokonyola chupesa kyao back to school chinga kechi gabono tumiri chupesa gwetera ase ngia cooperative bank edindi lichinyole abana bande school basoma sinchiro nyororo file sponsor wewe na metokeleze are.
Mimi najua tu kwa hiyo video kichana ni bamba kabisa. Ni vile watu wamepigia mdosi wangu nduru. Hiyo ni public participation. Now that is what that is what public participation looks like. And I'm so happy they are telling it to someone who has been in government, who understands how our government is run, and it's someone honestly that most people look up to. You know, Ruto is so bad that he makes Uhuru look like an angel. Even though, even during Uhuru's time, we had issues. In State House, so when people saw Uhuru and he was asking them these fundamental questions, it's like when someone that can fix the situation comes in and is asking for a team, and the people gave him Edwin Watenya Sifuna. Wakampatia wakamwambia ukijana ndio yeye huyo. So about sponsorship
ngonyora mule bintakurasoro
as a matter of fact, si mnajua pay bill yetu
kobekale
kale gochanga unless to chinyore mpesa through the pay bill like any other Kenyan unaranyare gochanga, and we are still fundraising because Edwin Watenya Sifuna is a creation of the people. Newe gagotebanga mismanagement of ODM just happened to be along the way. But in reality Edwin Watenya Sifuna has been an answer to a question abantu bari kuburi igachete at a moment when abantu bangainire bakuburi igomwana siyaza naro gukwaneke ene buri. Edwin Watenya Sifuna provided that answer. Got a point where when William Ruto akoruta a near bullet, Edwin Watenya Sifuna agotenena katikati yote banga wachene kuwa watoto bana. So beyond mismanagement ya ODM, Edwin Watenya Sifuna iga approving in this moment of nationhood. He has stood out unomonto which could lead the nation to salvation, and we believe it is coming.
Sponsorship there?
Yeah, sponsorship there. Oh no, yana have a body. Onye sponsorship yale kwa woro situngeza ku afford na sisi associate. Ingekuwa tuko na sponsorship, why would we need a pay bill? Our people, and you saw what he said wakati alikuwa kwa mazishi ya mke wa Boni Khalwale. Alisema ya kwamba hata ule mchango walileta kwa matanga ni mchango ulichangwa na principles wa Linda Mwananchi. So we fundraise, and that is how we've been doing our parties. And remember, our rallies, they don't need a big budget. We just need a sound and all that. Because as we don't need to transport supporters. My brother here Murkomen has also said the country is safe when we have videos of people vandalizing and stealing. So don't take him seriously. The guy has not been updated by William Ruto on what to say next. Now me, I'm talking about what is in the reality, the ground. Our crowds are organic. We don't need to fund in order to bring people there, so that cuts on budgets. Great, yani in a big margin, our budgets are cut. We just
to make an average.
I cannot tell you that, but what I know is that we only get our vehicles via fuel and the sound and everything. But the thing is, in the branding, you can tell a state function. How do you tell a state function? No, abantu bari branded, there is protocol, protocol, there are red carpets and all that. Lakini Linda Mwananchi is organic, is for the people and by the people. So there's nothing kama Uhuru, and Uhuru is the party leader wa Jubilee. So maybe we should be asking him about funding Jubilee and not Linda Mwananchi. I don't understand what the relationship is.
Tony. Passive response ukwanire. Una mosoko kata lakini ngakirende bunching mwatanga boogeyman.
It's a boogeyman.
Sorry.
Ente katangani tukwenda kwa addressing kero mke. Article 38 katiba yetu ya Kenya tulikubabua. Either you have served, serving, or you intend to serve. Rights chiri inherent. Enga chiraiti chiraro buno muntu ukwiboru naye no chirana ora na chirocho. Chiri gutanga muntu ndiwenzi ku join in political movement paganeti. Batirende issue enene eraro ni issue yotukuru kunga retirement. Nga umuske Uhuru Kenyatta wa retire from active service. Tuwenereti gono kwa vile elevated like a father figure, a father figure puense au msoma second grave tukwenda twa consult. You see how mete Kenya enchera tro sistema chika yaito nigo to bore te kurusko sento sabete evitali kidogo tukaweka parts and pieces yokarose katiba ya Kenya. Usikuligeli mostly a system to what a presidential etwa university sense ya American troche abarayi bari baritaire kuruwa bisi twabarorire mbararo ase imirimo bagokora no nyambari active in politics but mbararo no nyibyamba byabo konyara ngamba gwatyo chiobisi lakini kwara tinga kinere aro I think last year michikura njiro chialengaro tukoromulai Barack Obama is a retired president. But that's why that you campaign a candidate ya Democratic Party. So it doesn't negate that responsibility. I want know you are a statesman, you need not to engage in politics within your political formation. But really, how do we draw the lines? So that really, Kenya will undermine the leadership here obviously. But really, you care about these particular rights. Language those responsibilities to kwandera. Ikintukindiya kabere. Most of the things chiatabiru wasabia to be a kwaniru koba a sponsor, it becomes more of hearsay. Nga ebikageire
chinkuma
wono ukitoka tabu nyare metengo tabu ngaki metinya kunina kwa tege ntogete intara ronye evidence na handinga kiganje kwa na bout nyakundi na numa ito si serikali ni what this apparatus mora mosikio ila bruto na tatebeti yale ni ga sai kamombo abatabanga ne consumer of raw intelligence
raw data
ngwenyorali batirende abakenya maganetinga to a certain extent ibintu biro bibwende kumanyikana ngaki umusike Uhuru Kenyatta go sponsor opposition one kana so mete story ya Linge Nation na nikamotaka kidogo na kwanda atabanga ingete tangani noroche ni gale chairman ya Azimio noroche ni gare a party leader ya Jubilee korore wono ngasiyunga ekero biraro then to the extent trendinga akoba influence to sakoba involved in terms of day to day running and management of these political formations ekende ekero kwananga ngoba support yali nturaro onye ka ngoba support tiga bakanya bali lead this particular evidence here aroro but for me uso komboli what's going on we getting kichukura ngwa na mangana IBC ga igamba ruwe notice last week inoti got abankelinga bano bakire firimbi twachakire race to August 10 2027 political formations bono they are aligning themselves na ono ku engineer their formations bono korosika ndikurunga a question ye kura ya 2027 early winyo 2022 alenge I mean hustlers versus dynasties. Na bono we are going to have another one nkelinga bono it will be more or less for me a referendum because it's a continuation there's an issue between Uhuru Kenyatta William Ruto. Instead tuwende ko concentrating kelinga what was the manifesto of Alibara obisi ba promised have they achieved, have they implemented, but ingo chota bakerenga ki no mondo ogondwani nyarebe so that wono nyakundi omo Kenya kawaida alus focus from the real issues tuchaga wono kulili partisan issues watenga ki no wonder mwinjite musikiri William Ruto inki yako murwanire sasa we timu yaka ya 10 gorodi. That's a particular conversation that is coming, which for me I don't think it's healthy. It's an issue we went to address once and for all. Nande muchandondo monene no linga omusike Uhuru Kenyatta ndeni nabikwanu mostly are tactical in terms of response. Tuliko nyawangu kwana libintebi kwa uiraneli into detail. Era ko muna kwana igo meto cold ochire. Musondo mamo kwanete era gatabatani ko correspond. His silence also okira kwae na kurungu contribute to this ingelinga perhaps what is this that is being spoken about. But for me who ngonda sabomo usio totegerete gaiga. Let us not lose focus. The issue is not about William Ruto. The issue is not about Uhuru Kenyatta. The issue is about Ngorobisi. Esta idea inchere tukonya kundi tukona utumia side mirror kuligiri magega. This is what is going to cost us. Inkeli we are going to use blame game. Wose bitamero. Kirete chukura watabanga edison tutakorete because nyarebe. Nyakundi ngoiro obisi. Ngendo kya gutangirwa kole mirimo yokora. Ayekole mirimo yawo irana somo Kenya kawaida omoro kyomotebi njengu angete mandate myaka 5 ngatema okole BCD ga. Ikirine negetu ikirani na ikirani tekinita tanyarde ikirani ikianinga because maybe reasons yangi beyond me ose ntwakagerete ntonyore wikira lewe to emime chan twanyorete. Lakini wokora angeta mwende. Nabona zikokora emirimo buya. But one chakulire linga ngo sponsor gete na ende for united opposition njidimba timo chanondo wensi if they unite whichever way they want to unite korode bare the agenda yabo na igwete ande muraika okwananga bare agenda less the agenda yabo is kobanga one time. That's the agenda tiga nchimwake kura make a determination in doing a key the agenda eba koleta bwete my opponent that one day njidimba the agenda
yes
korode na agenda yani na wezi koba nearly ya one time na bali to two time.
One time lego agenda.
One time lego agenda na bado two time gatukwa ni bibiri tu akodire. Ingomo Kenya kawaida highly intelligent enough to make a decision amanyenga umuntu ende wakere kura ngakiali.
All right. Bya kabisa mwanje mutegale chingaki echiga cha back to school chibasango tumuchire nabera nyone nobwate kazi nere ngumbu ali yakotete ngumwana gakora ne school motebe ngana bango gutumira yenda chiere bona chingaki na chichi nandi nchire byo gutumira chibesa koro chinsi cha Michael gwetera sevengi ya Cooperative Bank asiki number 1 chinchire chonsi cyo gutuma chibesa koro chinsi cha Michael njira sevengi ya Cooperative Bank Western Union MoneyGram tap send Ace Money Ria Transfast ne chinde chinyinge namba ibere network teyo oranyoro bwandi bengi teyo wat network ose branch buna ebengi ya Cooperative Bank etakire town etakire bengi etakira ekona mpaka na ba agent babo that makes you say yini gukoroberia okonyora chibesa chao torukuna chibesa ndio sekero kurunyora chibesa chao egenti yokotakire na transaction code na bogo egetambuliso kyao nigegera sabantu bonse taras mbo mutejo ebengi ya Cooperative Bank egenti yokotakire ani getambuliso kyao na bokonyora chibesa chao chinga kihe cha back to school season onye kokonyora chibesa koro chinse chama ka branch ndio si ebengi ya Cooperative Bank na kumanyirira na boranyora bakoga zawadi wegenda ni serie. So to what the People's Party is not a new party. We thought it was being a party leader now in town.
Nyagunya wona igato bate bya mu 96 tisaini nati nasita ebyama ngo register on a daily basis echame ikonya neraro and nearly no inje I was surprised ekero na rucho musike Ndinde Nyoro na kwa unveil himself na kaya unveil at his political vehicle. Lakini nyakunyuma ite yango yanga ala kusiki kidogo. Numa ite ekero ndemiro mukora ka briefcase parties. I don't want to call parties briefcase parties. Ekero parties nyakunyo chokora ko registered. It's not easy. Kotora chiwa is 24 across at least 24 and across 24 counties and otwara wa member everywhere in at least 24 counties. Three raisi inegasi kong one get way to that level you cannot call a briefcase because you have spent resources and to know what abantu again to get kabere ebya mebinya kundi na makororanga inbuat officials na mingo meteka ko ndege ka register of companies kwa ile CR12 yako tevi who are the members who are the shareholders the directors of the company but when you rolling ebya mambire vire registered lakini vire registered na bali barobisi ase bya mabinde ndima izo kwa nyigule ngana onda bo DM mbwato goro ko DM okugoro kondo korasigete. That's the nature of our politics. That's where we have gotten it to. Kunyora ngumura inaro ora na agotara agotengana na gutura UDA uso DM use wiper lakini abataga kanto kaya asigete kama edenga king da chiesu nomination kidogo I can run to that. We saw it. UDA ngi yarwede yani ngi chama ya karukurupoa part of action richameli muske Rafael Tuju ikachinje karuku part of development and reforms wono UDA kwa hivi kiregali kiganyete nga just in case bitu bigande bobe and I will tell you Nyakundi surprisingly our raia bangi including very senior leaders in this country mbobwate byama byao vire kando. So I was not surprised kwa Musikendi Nyoro ka wasoka na ni kame ikiama keli ama Kenya barakage kana rucha bantu banda bakwananga asiklinda mwananchi ya ngiriko ba register lakini ndindi yari ayakorereki yamyokire bwangu. But I want to assure aba Kenya waitu batagerete in terms of registration PPP party iliko nyenahera issue nelinga omonyene konyotara esoki ata ebenche omonyene ngombe na very good.
Nyakundi
Manyene kole.
no I think Tony Owe explained it via sana, but the most important Nyakundi kilinga ki they are over actually Tony they are over 100 they are about 130 political parties. Just studied I think 96 no there almost start something pending registration. So in the initial stages still comply for purposes yoko.
But the make a statement wango because Tony is about to declare something because political parties biga. So no Musoko, I want you to hurry up so that we get time to discuss.
No mura yo Fred ngo wetena kwana muisonde riarenga matanga alio boni khalwale. Ngayani njimuguze no muchingande ngatimbo ate chama. So chama already na yaro. So the fact that the Mbajito block registration here movement the kulinda mwananchi does not meaning mbaga nyola political party. So political parties are always there nini. I might disagree na Tony Karauta they are not briefcase parties. Let me call them SPV. SPV is a song meeting a special purpose vehicle. Special purpose Nyakundi some are briefcase, some are SPV. Nyakundi mnaega lote ketukurwa oende ranchi yao iripiris na bora amuli ni matatu ya Kitengera uswamu imukie uba koruga uswamu wote itoninga drive me there. So whichever means you go to me nguikole iripiris. So it is the same political parties here in Kenya, and the political parties here, the truth is they are not asige songo, they are not grounded on ideology. It's serious about personalities. That is why got every no Moscow ya Mruto ekara luseti control ya Jubilee form UDA which are quite a true power can change within a few months they won power.
Okay.
So political parties in zero. It's a matter of yo kwa mnu na ende duke supermarket otenga leo tengoro mugati ositengoro buswicha party.
Frida ase byambe ngwa shock denga ndini Nyoro lo party.
Yeah, no, I'm not shocked. Ndini Nyoro doesn't shock me. This is just my personal opinion. As a Gen Z nato failed it several times. So onyobo gete akamuanga finally nko very politically aware of the situation in say well and good. Lakini Gen Z Zimbabwe they are serious beef na Ndindi Nyoro. The very first controversial finance bill. He was part of the team yenye ilitengeneza hiyo finance bill. Tukaganya vote muisonde wango ile ikaba vote for this other finance bill igayo mweli yetete agatama ililia ni nsengi mega nyetenga put his vote gadi. So for Ndindi Nyoro inche there is no love lost there, whether you let party 50 or not. For Gen Z's you that is a closed case.
Nyakundi
so lende ndo dori bageli tote bitoni muturi
Nyakundi Tony atara
sindi bagali abene ato address in terms of political parties funding
atara to address. I thought it's important to mention yeke na tegerete muntu kunga Papa wa Roma Mosike Moses Masika Wetangula oyoro monogeri we bunge yense bunge ya kitaifa iga confess it mati sometimes Nyakundi mari mungu charara bwata abantu watenga yayo matuna no mwana orio betutulitimo muina alinje na rutelimorisi
Yes.
iga confess ya gatebanga rero kiombo yo teacher service commission kia be declared redundant so ngarero akarota geto abana kuri kubwarimu go kwenda state house musike William Samoei Ruto
kwa maruba
10 kwenda distribute Kenyoro igo bona abantu baito munya guchandika kunya guteyana no apply ariyo muchungu
ya dressing abari mu mayete
no I'm telling them
mwana darariko
yes I'm telling them genda yo kambu muchumbo especially yo muchumbo karo yo UDA you know you've seen in the past where twaro bachumbe babere bakusiale ba dispute maruba ya matanga tukabunga ya renge chongeri lakini uno mu speaker kwandire nyakundi ntumo doubt igonga ayonyogoro mwana UDA muchumbe genda so muchumbo agenda state house oirirube TS yatangasta baka bayenda tekulika tokore ekero mu speaker kwandire can we doubt
nanda tebetenga negente kigo cyane sana ng'abantu bari aire state house bayiro marube bagocha bayawo
Kina kige ko muichani mono ko buga kende gyonsi
yani ngabakone ndi bakonyera sama
kibakoneria marube toko rusitie sitwana
onye to connections
ole wako aba kusiba tete ngoyo bwate umwabo
yo
to bwate umwabo
one second closing remarks chao
jena ko rineri na tengo yo to bwate umwabo koraki
bwate muramu toni
Chembiyande ndezogera na kuchiali obisi gazeti notice cheve zinechinke
200 and what million
kera also section 24 ya political section 24 ya political parties act ngoze ebiringa 0.3% ekebato ire is a 10 richiko ligo
toni ndo
gatura implement richiko boronge tonyora 100% nyakundi ngubira Mombasa
nje na Mosoko na Frida I think matoka bwanga gandra kwa nyo 1 million wana you admin 200 million
digaba to change pay bill 303 049 kerenge na ndo mete awa nini awa chief na contribute to your party so mukore bune mechende moto ekati etogocha
na ndiko ndo contribute na kitu hivi
yeah
thank you very much sema sanga mendo sema mbia